My name is Alvin. I have 3 older Benzes, and I have all 3 of them serviced here. I brought a 2006 E350 in for an F. I think they said it was an F maintenance, but Adam told me it was an A maintenance. And during the inspection, they came up with a ball joint problem, a couple of ball joint problems, and need to replace a compressor for a window washer. I haven't had the result, but I don't expect to have any surprises on the result, okay? I've probably visited Feldmann's 12 times in the past 3.5 years. So I kind of know that the result is going to be satisfactory. I mean, whatever they say, I generally do. I was telling Chris the other thing that when I first came here, my nephew dealt with Sears. And so I went there twice. And then I didn't get a response to a phone-in, a request for something. And my other nephew said, well, why don't you call Feldmann's? And I looked and it was closer to where I live anyway. So that's my only comparison is that, you know, Sears did okay, but I don't go to other dealers or anything. I'm not really traveling around all that much looking at stuff.